For executives and managers, the question is, how do you want to measure performance within your business? Are you activity or results driven? Are you happy when 1,000 prospects have been called this week? Or is what really matters to you how many customers you've closed? I argue for the latter, of course. As long as OKRs are on track, as the CEO of Perdoo, I prefer to not get involved at the initiative level. However, if we're off track, I like to have a look at the initiatives to get a feeling for what's been done so far. I'd like to help the team figure out why it's not working and brainstorm what other initiatives we could try to get things back on track again. Creating key results that measure outcomes and not outputs can be quite a challenge. Let's see what happens if you measure outputs as key results. Imagine a marketing team who has the following objective: fuel top of the funnel growth. They create a key result to run a €200,000 AdWords campaign, which is an output and not an outcome. They run the campaign and spend €200,000. So they update progress on that key result to 100%. This, in turn, increases progress on the objective. So people looking at the objective would think, oh wow, the marketing team is really growing top of the funnel. Is that really the case though? All they did is spend €200,000 on AdWords. To know whether that had an impact on top of the funnel growth, you would need to look at key results that accurately measure your intended outcome: top of the funnel growth. As you'll see, adding outputs as key results gives a false impression of progress. It also prevents the team from learning. Had the key result been to generate 1,000 leads and run a €200,000 AdWords campaign was added as an initiative, then as their initiative progressed, they would have been able to see whether or not the initiative was generating leads. And if it wasn't, they could try something else.